Student, now we have to conduct one practical. That is, the title of that practical is to use voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter to determine line and phase quantities of voltage and current for balanced as well as unbalanced three-phase delta connected load. And after that we have to calculate active, reactive as well as apparent power, and finally we have to draw the phasor diagram. So let us see, first of all, focus on this connection. What type of connections we have to do? See here, this is ELCB plus MCB. When we switch on this ELCB plus MCB, that is, then supplier come here. We can put this rotary on-off switch in on position. That's why we have to get indication for three phase. It means three phase are available for our connections. See here, this is a incoming terminal, R phase, Y phase, B phase, and this is a neutral. Then that cable goes to incoming terminal of this three phase variac. Here we can connect R phase, Y phase, B phase, and this is a neutral. Then the output of this three phase variac, for that connections we can connect another cable, and that cables are come here. See here. According to color coding, this is a R phase, this is a Y phase, and this is a P phase. Because we know that in case of delta connection, we have to not require neutral. That's why this neutral is left, not connected. See here, this R phase are given to common terminal of ammeter. Here we can select 5 ampere range, and that range goes to M terminal. See here, this is a M terminal. That M terminals of first wattmeter are connected. Then here we can short circuit this MC terminal together. Then see, the L terminal of this first wattmeter goes to starting terminal of first load. See here, that is a R terminal of first load. Y phase. Then see, Y phase connection. That Y phase are given to common terminal of wattmeter. From that terminal, that goes to M terminal of second wattmeter. See here, that goes to M terminal of second wattmeter. Here also we can connect MC together, and the L terminal of that wattmeter goes to starting terminal of second load, that is a Y terminal. Then see, third phase, that is a B phase. That B phase are given to selected voltage range of that wattmeter, that is 600 volt, because here we can use three phase supply, and we know that standard voltage of three phase supply is near about 440 volt. That's why we can select above range, that is 600 volt. This is a B phase. From that B phase, that goes to M, that goes to voltage range of first wattmeter, that is 600 volt, and from that range, that also goes to second terminal of second wattmeter, that is 600 volt. See here, that is a 600 volt, and from that terminal finally it goes to starting terminal of third load. It means for every load we can connect different phases. First load we can give R phase, for second load we can give Y phase, and third load we can give B phase. Then see, we have to connect delta connection. Then what precautions we have to do? See here, this ammeter, this voltmeter that are connected across the first load. See here, it means that voltmeter indicates our phase voltage, and the range of selected range of that voltmeter is 600 volt. Then see here, another ammeter are connected, and that are inserted between R dash, means ending terminal of first load, and starting terminal of second load. It means that ammeter indicates our phase current, and selected current range is 5 ampere. Because we know that from ending of second load and starting of second load, if we insert this ammeter, that is, we know that any resistance, that is internal resistance of any ammeter, is practically zero. It means we can insert that ammeter, it means we can short circuit it directly Y dash as well as Y phase. But here we can give another benefit, that is that terminals goes to directly short circuit, but here we can also measure the current which are flow in that circuit. That is the beneficial. Then see, that is the ending terminal of second load are directly connected to ending terminal of third load, and finally that ending terminal of third load directly goes to starting terminal of first load. This is a delta connection.